TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people with local freelancers who can help with physical tasks, ranging from furniture assembly to moving, cleaning, and handyman services. If you're looking to use TaskRabbit, so hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TaskRabbit. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into taskrabbit.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is TaskRabbit. So it's an online service that connects you with local freelancers called taskers who can help with tasks like furniture assembly, cleaning, moving, and more. You simply choose the tasks, find a tasker nearby, and book them to get the job done. It's an easy way to get help with everyday chores our product as well. So all you have to do right now is just come back to the top right and you click over sign up here. We have firstly booked trusted help for home taskers. You can just here firstly here we have what your nail will help with if it's assembly. So let's just discover and after getting started I will just click over here or I will just click over become a tasker if I want. I will click over this one, then I will find the page which is this one. I will just here click over sign up because it's my first time to join this one. I will add this information and then I will just add the phone number, the password, the zip code, and I will click over create an account. So that's it for create an account. Or if you already have an account, you have just to click over login and you add your email address, your password, and you click over login. If you want to become here a tasker, all I have to do is just click over become a tasker like that, and then you'll find the page which is this one. You have firstly to select your area. If it's here Albuquerque, I will select firstly here choose a category. I will just select here personal assistant and then I will select here which one. I will select Chicago for example and then we'll click over get started. Then I will add my email address, your first name and last name, mobile phone. So I will add here the first name, the last name, the email address and then the mobile phone and create a password. And I will click over here which is I acknowledge I am a sole proprietor and then I will click over create an account. So this is how it works. Right now let's just come back to the home page and let's know how to or how it works with this one. So choose TaskRabbit, sign up on the application website, browse available services like cleaning, moving or furniture assembly, choose choose a local tasker based on their ratings and hourly rate. Book the tasker for the task and confirm the details. Pay securely through the platform once the task is completed. And let's get started right now and let's discover those things. Firstly, we have here assembly. About this one, you will find the general furniture assembly. Here we have IKA and then we have here assembly, then we have cripe assembly, then we have packs assembly, bookshelf assembly and desk assembly. So assembly we have unassemble or disassemble furniture items by unboxing, building and any cleanup. Then we have also trending curved sofas, computer desks and sustainable materials. All right, we have also popular products as well. This is what happy customers are saying. So let's just here for example select another thing which is mounting. About this one you will find here hang art, mirror and decor, install blinds and window treatments, mount and insure furniture. We have installed shelves, rods and hooks, other mounting and TV mounting as well. Then we have here moving, help moving, track assisted help moving, trash and furniture removal, heavy lifting and loading. And we have here rearrange furniture, tank haul away. About moving, you'll find here moving help such as packing, unpacking, loading, and lifting heavy items. Not rendering single item moves, apartment moves, and tank removal. Then we have also here cleaning. About this one, you'll find here cleaning, party cleanup, apartment cleaning, deep clean, garage cleaning, move out clean. Then we have here outdoor help, yard work, lawn care, snow removal, landscaping help, branch and hedge trimming, sorry, gardening and wooding. Then we have here home repairs such as door, cabinet and furniture repair, wall repair, selling and caulking, appliance installation and repairs, window and blinds repair, also flooring and tile help, electrical help, plumbing help, light carpentry as well. Then we'll find painting as well. Indoor painting, wall painting, peppering, outdoor painting, concrete and brick painting, accent wall painting, and wall paper removal. Then the last one, which is printing. About this one, we find general furniture assembly, general mountain, TV mountain, help moving and cleaning as well. About printing, we find you discover the hottest tasks that will level up your space, explore these trending tasks, and book a help tasker to enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with it all. Right? So for example, I will go to the trending and I will search for TV mountain, for example, and then you'll find a page which is this one. Here we have the first step, which is describe your task. So I will just add here your task location, unit or EPT, and then you will click over continue, and we have here four steps, by the way. Tell us about your task. We use this details to show taskers in your area who fit your needs. Then you'll find a page which is when we have requested date and time, first available tomorrow. Pick your own. I will just, for example, select here for this one, and then you find it is November 28 at 9:30. Then I will just click over here or try another time if I don't like this one, and I will select here the time that I think it's available for me. Here we have who are taskers, and here we have what our customers are saying, and the various things here in the left and right, sorry. So TaskRabbit is a convenient and efficient way to get help with everyday tasks by connecting you with local freelancers. Whether it's moving, cleaning, or home repairs, it simplifies finding reliable help. With secure payment and flexible scheduling, it's a hassle-free solution for tackling physical chores. So this is how it works with this one. You can just get started as soon as possible, and you've just to follow the steps. After here, signing up by using your email address or using Google, or you can just log in, sorry, and then you get started with this platform, which is taskrabbit.com. It's very helpful to use it, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So you have just to type taskrabbit.com, and it's very easy. Then you'll find this page, as you can see, and then you find here like that, and you have just to get started by signing up or click of become a tasker. You have just to follow the steps and you choose the one you want. It's very easy to do that, and that's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video in other websites or freelancers. All right, so that's it for this video.